Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money to bank account on Cash App. To transfer money from Cash App to your bank account, follow the steps. Number 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Step 2. Go to the Banking tab. Tap on the Banking tab. It looks like a building bank or bank icon on the Cash App home screen. This will display your Cash App balance. Step 3. Select Cash Out. You need to link your bank account first if you haven't done so already. After that, tap Cash Out to start the transfer process. Number 4. Enter the amount. Enter the amount you want to transfer to your bank account, then tap Cash Out again. Step 5. Choose the transfer speed. Cash App offers two options. For standard, it's 1 to 3 business days, free of charge, but the transfer will take a few days. Instant transfers immediately for a small fee, typically around 1.5%. Number 6. Confirm and complete the transfer. Select your preferred transfer speed, then confirm with your PIN or Touch ID if prompted. Your funds will be transferred to your linked bank account. If you select instant, the money should appear in your bank account immediately. Otherwise, it will take 1 to 3 business days for standard transfers. And that's how easy it is to transfer money to bank account on Cash App. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.